Hey, welcome back to another unboxing video of the Galaxy F07. Now, this is a very budget-friendly smartphone. Comes with Type C charging, comes with an audio jack. Now, a lot of phones still have the audio jack. Well, so the volume buttons and the power button to the side. So it has nice round edges, and it comes with a 6.7S AMOLED display. Let me turn it on so you can see it. I'm just gonna boot up into the configuration as it's being turned on for the first time. It rocking a Snapdragon CPU. It's a 2.2 gigahertz, running Android 15, and it's One UI version 7.0. Alright, so let's give it a few to start to load up. Alright, so we're greeted by the welcome screen. You just pick your language. So I'm going to go United States English. Go start. And then of course you have the terms and conditions. If you're familiar with them, you just go right through. If not, then you can look into them. Connect to your internet connection. I have a setup that I'll be using. Alright. I go next. Just getting the phone ready for further setting up. I might speed past some of these options so that you don't have to wait along with me. But just to know, just like most modern Androids, you have the ability to copy over your data, but we're not doing that. We're just skipping a lot of these login processes because this needs to be a blank phone without any login account attached to it. Alright, so we're just gonna go through this. Don't create an account, let's create it later. I figured I didn't touch it right. I'm gonna skip all these additional stuff. Alright, let's set the theme white. Waiting for it to load. Shouldn't take long. Alright, I just want to agree to this. Smart tutor. This should be helpful. Alright, so we're to proceed. And here we are, welcome to the home screen. I just want to go to settings. So here is the software information for this, what version Android, what version UI it's running. Yes, it is. So it's a very interesting phone. Simple to maneuver, has some interesting features, and it is budget friendly. I especially like the dynamic display in terms of the visuals that it shows, and inside the case it looks even nicer. So definitely a good buy.